Hi, I'm Dan Doak with Purple Wave. I am the territory manager for the Kansas City area, and I am here today with Kerry Bowen, the owner of AB Rock. Kerry, tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Kerry Bowen. I'm the president and I'm an owner of AB Rock, and we decided as a business to take another direction, and we're focusing on street sweeping and moving out of the foundation business. And so we have a lot of great equipment and panels and trucks and everything that we're selling in this auction on the 27th.
How long have you been in the Kansas City area doing this kind of work?
Yeah, so it's been about 12 years. I've been working in different family businesses, ranging from landfill to home building, foundation, and then now we're doing street sweeping.
Now, who's the family?
Superior Bowen is our family. It's kind of the mother company.
Tell us a little bit about some of the equipment.
So we have a Telebelt. It's a 2007 Mack TB110 that we use to pour concrete and rock. And then we have 4 Isuzu crew trucks that range from 17 to 18. They have a spot for all the tools and everything that you could need when going to the job site, and it fits 7 guys comfortably. We also have 2 boom trucks. One's a 2006, one's 2014 that we just recently purchased about a year and a half ago. The newer one, it reaches about 80 feet. It's in great condition. We really haven't put too many hours on it since we bought it. We have a waterproofing truck, a box truck. It has a pump and everything set up for waterproofing. And then we also have forms, probably around $800,000 new, and they're all in cages, so you can pick them up and move them from the form truck into the hole for ease. They're Badger forms.
Badger forms, okay.
Yep, and they range from about 3 to 5 years old, so they're really new and in good condition. We also have a mini excavator. It's a John Deere 50G. Hardly has any hours on it at all. It's under 800 hours, so it's in great condition. We have 2 pickup trucks that our supervisor drove, 2019 and 2020. One's a dually that we use to pull equipment. Both of them are in great shape as well. Really, all of our equipment is in really good condition. It has some wear and tear, but it's just normal industry wear and tear on it. But overall, I mean, it's all in really good shape.
Why did you select Purple Wave to help you get rid of your inventory?
Superior Bowen has had a long-lasting relationship with Purple Wave, and pretty much anything they sell, they do it through Purple Wave. And really, when we got to the point where we were gonna, get out of the foundation business, there was really not a choice. We knew we were gonna use Purple Wave just because they're the one-stop shop.
These items are selling on the 27th of April. They're available to bid on now. We are having an open inspection on the 26th at Superior Bowen on the forms and on the equipment, and everything else will be here at this location on Broadmoor in Overland Park, Kansas. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.